Guys, so I was chilling on this treadmill, saw something in my backyard unusual, and I come out here and there's a dead bird right here. Really strange, but yeah, I don't know what kind of bird it is and what happened to it, but it's been gone for a minute, I think. So, sorry I wasn't even on the thing, but I mean, I'm gonna throw this thing to the alligators. It's 100% gone. So I'm gonna get my gloves on here and get rid of this thing. See what happens with the alligators. Alright, so I think this thing's dead. Yeah, this thing's fully dead. It's stiff. Let's see if he gets it. Oh, he's not interested in it. Oh, he left. He doesn't care. Wow. Okay, that's wait, he's coming back. Yep. He's gonna take it. Yep. Yep. Absolutely. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. I feel really bad for the bird, but goodbye, bird. He went under with that thing because his buddies were coming. He had one there, and he is gone with the wind, and I see bubbles. He is 100% bailed. He's got it right there, look. He's got it. See if I can zoom on this 8K. I mean, I'm not getting anywhere near him. He's in defensive mode right now because they're all trying to get his food. He's taking it because something else came over and wanted a piece. And I can see it traveling underwater. He's going to come up in a second. But I'm surprised the big one, or the bigger one here, didn't want some action. Real predatorial. He took it under again. And I don't think we're going to be able to watch him chomp down on it. He's taking it over to his little area so his buddies can't get him. Yep, he's got it way over there now. And I don't know how good this video is going to look zoomed in, but that's as far as I can get. He's taking it to his little house. There's some other birds over here kind of eyeing the situation closely, but also his buddy's heading that way. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. Yeah. Come on, man, eat it. Or your friends are gonna come eat it. He's just chilling with it now. Let's see if I can get closer with a different lens. All right, I changed lenses to 4K resolution and I can get a little bit closer on him. But he's literally not doing anything with it. He's just sitting there. And I don't know why he's not chomping down on it. He's got it around his mouth. I can't get closer with that lens. Alright, I don't know what he's going to do. I'm going to watch him for a minute. See what happens. And he's got a friend or two out here waiting to see what he's going to do. His buddy's down here somewhere. Right there. But he's still just chilling. I think he's waiting to see if they're going to try to take it from him, or maybe he's not hungry yet. But wow, that was very cool.